Alright, so trunk won't open on this Maserati. Didn't know why. I've been working on it for days and trying to figure out what the hell's going on. I push the button. Again, pushing the button, the lights blink, but nothing happens. I mean, it's just, I finally figured it out. I mean, I looked at the fuses, tore that apart, nothing. Came around, and then I just got this volt reader and started playing around with this mechanism here. Right here, oh yeah, I took that panel off. That was pretty easy. And so then I took this mechanism off, and I realized I think this might be going out because I just tapped it with the screwdriver. All started working just fine. So yeah, you have trouble with your back end not opening up, first of all, either. And I ended up finding some frayed wire here in this little thingy here, and you wouldn't even notice it because it doesn't look like anything would happen, but with friction over time it just ripped it off. And backlights here, these line here wasn't working, that line here wasn't working, and I didn't know why. And the license plate lights, and I'm like, what the hell? Around and fix that. I fixed that right there, no biggie, that was easy. This one here was the harder one to figure out because I had to test it, make sure this wire right here, as I pushed the start button, the release button, it showed 12 volts and it was showing nothing. And then suddenly I wasn't doing it right, and I put it back on, clipped the voltmeter to 20, and then put it on DC, and it popped up as 12 volts every time I push a button. So yeah, so that was working. So then I just tapped the little motor with the hammer, with the screwdriver, and it started functioning. So more than likely I'm gonna have to replace it down the line, but that's pretty much a really easy fix. So till next time, as I'm working, we'll see what else comes down the line. But 3 years of ownership, this is all that I've had to deal with so far. So yep, and I'm just gonna call it a day. Bye.